Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my next video. In this video we are going to see about the delete rooms. So for delete rooms we have created a method. I will be creating this method delete room, and it will be similar to the edit rooms. So basically, let us copy the edit room and then I'll explain you what the changes we are doing here. Okay. So here you go with edit rooms. So there will be an error. Here it will be delete room. Right. To delete a room, we require only two things, the room ID and the user ID. If it matches, then we will delete it. Why we are not taking only room ID? Because room IDs will be different, but if someone want to access it and if they do anything wrong particularly, then to prevent those things, so that's the reason we are taking two things, two values. Or you can either you can do a simple encrypt kind of thing, which way we have shown it in forgot password. Simple encrypt, you can use it and then you can do it out. So right now here we are checking if there is an empty or not. If it is empty, so there is an error. Why it's showing an error? Okay, here it is the error, no worries. So we will be checking whether this room is present or not. Yes, if the room is present, then what we will do, we will update it. That's it. We are not doing anything, just we are updating the value status to 0. That's it. We are set status to 0. We can enable it anytime, so that's the reason. If you want to delete it, then we need to set the status to 0. Here what we can able to do, we can do a multiple function room check. After this room check, what you can do, if you can write this room check can be taken in this fashion, in this way. Okay. And then what I will do, I will get the values of room check, room details. I'll get the room details by using this room check uh, row underscore array. Okay, we'll get the room details here and we will check whether the status of the room is 1 or not. If it is 1, then we will make it to 0. If it is 0, we will make it to 1. So toggle, it's kind of a toggle kind of thing we will be performing here. Room check of status is equals to 1, then we will perform this operation. We will perform this operation and we will give a response. Okay, here we give a response stating room has deactivated. Room has what we call deactivated, or room has removed your room details has been removed. That's it, your room has been removed. We will do it. I don't know why we are getting this error. Again, row underscore array, this we have faced it here is as well. And also here we have seen room, not room details, it's room check. Yeah, room details for room check, not room check. Here will be room details. Okay, for this room details we will check the status. Okay, here you go with the room status, and if it is 1, then we will be updating the room. That's it. Else what we will do, same thing, same details, we'll take it and we'll make it to 1. We'll activate it. Your room details has restored successfully. Your room details has restored successfully. Okay, these are the two status which we will be giving it, we'll making it. And now this is the room check of this, and this is the thing. And here you go with the room number of rows, and these all things are not required right now. Okay, these are required. So room update, so here we have not used if condition, if else condition. That's the reason. Let us have this if condition as well here, so that it will be helpful to error handling. Okay, error handling is the most important part, which I always prefer to you all. So you need to write all cases of errors you will be getting, you will be receiving it. Okay, so here also what I will get is this is the thing I will be getting it at end, and this will be thing. Here you go, will be room update, this will not be present. Done, no errors. So room check will do. If it is done, then room details has been updated, or it will be a network error, details has been reviewed or restored, or network error. So this will be the room check kind of thing. Otherwise, if these details doesn't match, then we will tell him that's a invalid data received and the status will be 0. And if they don't provide these two details as well and they want to access this, then what we'll do, we will tell that please enter the all the mandatory fields. So that's it for this video. Now it's time for testing. This code has been done. Now it's time for testing. Let us go here. Let us copy this URL, paste this URL, and for this what we require, what user need to send or the request they need to send is the room ID and the user ID. Here room ID is equal, user ID is equals to 1, right? And the user ID, room ID is equal to 1 and user ID equals to 1. These two things are required and remaining things are not required. So let me remove these remaining things and let me check whether the what the it should, we are expecting the output is like right now the status will be 1. So that's the reason what I am expecting is your room details has been removed success. So let us check. Yes, please enter all the mandatory fields it's telling. So let us check where did we went wrong. Room ID and user ID, room ID and user ID we are sending it, right? But still we are not receiving it here. Why, I don't know. Room post request. Let's check what is happening here. Echo dollar room underscore ID. Here we go with required, right? Simple thing. Yes, we have received one. So if not of empty, then we will be going here. And also let us see user ID, we are receiving it or not. Perfect. Yes, we have received it. So it's working perfectly here up till this, and then it should go here and it should check. Now let us check it again. This has been saved. Please enter all mandatory fields. Why it is not going inside? It's always going. Please enter the mandatory fields, not empty, and not empty of this room number. If both are not empty, here I should get an echo kind of thing. Hi, exit. Now it's not going inside this loop. So we need to check why it's not going inside. It's not room number actually. It's room ID. So there we got. That's the reason we are getting this error. Simple modification. Your room details has been removed and status is equals to 1. If I send it again the request, now it should restore it. So here you can see your room details has been restored it successfully. So with a single request we can able to delete the room and I can able to restore the room. If there is something error like in our previous video we have checked like it's 2 user ID, then it should tell please enter the, it should not tell please enter mandatory fields. I've already given the mandatory fields, right? Invalid data received, it should tell that invalid data received. So again it's not going, like user ID I have changed it here and doing it. Let us check again. Now if it is both are 1, then you do removed, then it is restored. Okay, now if I change any of them, either that or this, invalid data received, right? Invalid data received, this is the invalid data received. Why can't I get this also? And this will be 1. Yes, invalid data received. I think sometime the catchy problem I might think of this software. So that's all for this video. Hope you have got the, you have cleared, I've cleared all the information. Depending upon this, your room has been removed or your room has been restored successfully. For next video we will be speaking about the view of the rooms. So will show him all every rooms, whether the it may be status is 1 or 0, we don't bother about it. We'll show everything in the day 7 video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.